Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. In this lecture, we will understand a very important concept in JavaScript, that is variables. Now, what is variables and why it is used? It is used to store values which can be reused later. Let me provide you an example. Say for example, you have registered to a website, and whenever you are logging into that website, it's welcoming you by saying welcome John. Say for example, your name is John, so welcome John. Then you have uploaded some photos to it, so it's saying John's photos, John's videos, John's comments, like this. So it is reusing that name, and using variable also you can do this stuff. Now let me show you by using an example of how to use it. So in JavaScript, you can write a variable using the keyword var. So let's write inside script var. Let's provide a tab. I like indenting. So let's write here var x equals 10. Now what is this? var is the keyword for defining variables. And what is x? X is the variable name. You can provide here anything, like say my first variable. So this is the variable name, and then we are providing the assignment operator, which is the equal sign, and we are providing the value 10 to x. Now let's reuse it. So come to new line and let's write here x equals x plus 5. Now let's provide a semicolon because it's a statement. So remember, for defining it we are using the var keyword. It is only for the first time. You don't have to repeat it every time. Once you have defined it, you can use it without the var keyword. Now you can use variables for outputting stuffs also. How? Let's go to new line and write here document dot write. Now you don't have to provide quotes, just provide the variable name, and here it's x. That's it. Only variable name, no quotes outside. Now let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. See the result, it's 15. So var x equals 10, x equals x plus 5. We are reusing it and we are adding 5 to this x, and hence we are getting 15. Now let's write here, say var name equals say John. Now again let's copy it, press Ctrl C to copy and paste here, and instead of x write here name, and of course you need to provide semicolon. Now save it and let's hit refresh. So it's 15 John. Now you can ask that here you are using only 10 without quotes and here you are using the name inside quote. So why this difference? Is it unfair? Well, in our next lecture we will see how many types of variables we can use. But just for now I am telling you that this is a number type variable and this is a string variable. So it is being treated as a number, and inside quote it will be treated as a string. So that's it. And another thing that I should tell you, naming convention of a variable. Now each variable should start with a letter or underscore or dollar sign, and it must not start with number. Again I am repeating, you should start a variable name with letter or underscore or dollar sign, and you cannot start a variable name with a number, but other letters can be number, letter, dollar, underscore. Let me tell you by showing an example. You can have say dollar my name, but you cannot have 7 my name, or say you can have underscore my name. You can have say only my name, no underscore, no dollar sign. And you can have say my name 5 or my name 7. So you cannot start a variable name with a number. It is a really important concept. Let me delete it. Okay. So this is a really important concept. That's it. If you have any query, feel free to ask. And another thing is that you cannot use keywords as variable. I mean the keywords which are inbuilt for JavaScript. Like say you cannot use var. Say var equals 10. You cannot use it. And also other keywords like say document or dot write, like this. Just don't use it. Just try to avoid it. Try to make it simple. Say var my name or var number equals 10. Var name equals John. Like this. Try to make it simple. That's it. So that's it, friends. Here I am concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture where we will explore how many types of variables are there. Till then, have fun. Take care.